guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for breakfast, I'm just doing a chia seed pudding. This is what I prepared for the night before. I just put it in the fridge overnight. I just added some chia, some oat milk, some cinnamon, and also some maple syrup. And I just let that sit overnight. And then this is what it looked like the next day. So usually I add granola, banana, and blueberries on top, but today I just had mango chunks. My bananas weren't ripe yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add the toppings on now. Yum yum in my tum. So I also had a glass of this green goodness, and it comes with all the good stuff. Now it's time for lunch. So I'm just gonna make some tomato basil soup. It's literally one of my favorites. I'm just cutting up some onions, some red bell peppers, and tomatoes. I have my basil sitting there on the side, and I also cut up half of spicy pepper. So you're just gonna need salt, garlic, paprika, olive oil, some tomato paste, and also tomato sauce. So I took out my hand blender and I just blended it all out because I like my tomato basil to be smooth. If not, if you don't have a hand blender, just go ahead and throw it in the blender, and then there you go. Taste it, make sure it's to your liking, and you're all set. Normally I would have avocado toast with this, but my avocados are not ripe yet. So what I'm just gonna do is go ahead and take out some bread. It's my favorite, and then I have some vegan cheese. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that over there and toast it. So this is what it looks like. Oh my, so freaking good. So now it's dinner time, and I'm just slicing up some tomatoes, some carrots, some onions, and also some minced garlic. I actually decided later on that I wanted to add some potatoes, so I chopped up some potatoes and I added them in later. just added my seasonings, just salt, pepper, paprika, can't do wrong with paprika, and also parsley, some pepper flake, and then yeah, I went ahead and added in the tomatoes after that. Go ahead and add some water so that it doesn't get burned. And then I chopped up some kale and I added some kale in it. And then you can see actually how the kale just cooks down, so it's honestly not even that bad for those of you that don't like green vegetables. Here I just added some water because I didn't have any vegetable broth, so added some water, and then I went ahead and put in my lentils. And then after that, I went ahead and put more water and then just stir it up. Just make sure that it's to your liking with all the seasoning and the taste and everything. And then I went ahead and added my potatoes. This is also where I added the tomato paste. And then I just let that boil for, I don't know how long, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes? I don't know. Until I see it's ready. So the potatoes are soft and the lentils are cooked. Still ready to eat. This is so good. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is how it looks like now. And when I tell you this was bomb, this was so bomb.